Hi, I'm Andy from the Manchester store, here in the Lake District by Grisdale Tarn. Take a look at some of the key features of a backpacking tent. With these tents, weight is key. These feature simple and lightweight designs to help keep your pack weight down. They must also be tough enough for when you're travelling off the beaten track, so that they provide reliable shelter. If you're going to be planning a longer trip, then the space or livability of the tent is also something very important. So, let's have a closer look at some of those features. Here we have an Alloy 2 from Hillyberg. This is a classic example of a backpacking tent. Backpacking tents need to be light enough so that they can be carried comfortably. They achieve this in the way that they're designed. The Alloy 2 is a simple tunnel design with 2 poles and a single entrance. It's lightweight, easy to put up and remarkably stable. The fly sheet of a backpacking tent has to be lightweight yet durable. It also has to be fully waterproof so that you remain dry and comfortable inside the tent. Backpacking tents use aluminium poles due to its high strength to weight ratio. The poles on this tent are 9mm DAC Featherlight NSL poles. Whilst the fly sheet is designed to keep the elements out, the inner is designed to keep the occupants as comfy as possible. It does this by using lightweight yet breathable materials. The inner of the tent will also have mesh panels for extra ventilation. On tents for year-round use, these will be coverable, just for a bit of extra warmth on colder nights. To keep you dry and comfortable inside of a backpacking tent, the floor will be fully waterproof. The Alloy 2 does this by using a bathtub construction. Other things to look out for inside of tents are extra pockets and hanging loops just for organisation. The vestibule of backpacking tents can be used for storing gear, or it can be used as an extended living space in bad weather. If you've got more kit requirements or you're going to be in it for a longer period of time, models with extended vestibules are available.